How to can milk, a simple solution for too much milk. Got more milk than you know what to do with? Whether you're dealing with an overabundant goat, cow, or just stocked up too much, canning milk is the perfect solution. Properly canned milk can last up to 1 to 2 years in storage. It's an easy, safe way to reduce waste while ensuring you always have milk on hand. Let's dive in and I'll show you step by step how it's done. First, here's what you'll need. Fresh milk, a pressure canner, sterilized canning jars with lids and rings, a funnel, a ladle, and a clean cloth or paper towels. Make sure all your equipment is clean to keep your milk fresh and safe. If you're using raw milk, you can pasteurize it by heating it to 145 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes and then cooling it down. If your milk is already pasteurized, you can skip this step. Keep the milk chilled until you're ready to can. Wash your jars, lids and rings with hot, soapy water, then sterilize them by boiling for 10 minutes or running them through the dishwasher on the hottest cycle. This step is critical to prevent spoilage. Now, fill your jars with milk, leaving about 1 inch of head space at the top. This allows room for the milk to expand during the canning process. Wipe the rims with a damp cloth to ensure a good seal, then add your lids and screw the rings on fingertip tight. Add about 2 to 3 inches of water to your pressure canner or follow the manufacturer's instructions. Place the jars on the rack inside, ensuring they're not touching each other or the sides of the canner. Lock the lid and turn up the heat. Once steam vents steadily for 10 minutes, close the vent and let the pressure build. Process your milk at 10 psi for 25 minutes. Adjust for your altitude if necessary. When the time's up, turn off the heat and let the canner cool completely before opening. This can take about an hour. Carefully remove your jars and place them on a towel to cool. Don't disturb them for 12 to 24 hours. After cooling, check the seals by pressing the lid. If it doesn't pop, you're good to go. Label your jars with the date and store them in a cool, dark place. Properly canned milk can stay fresh and safe for up to 1 to 2 years. And there you have it. Now you can turn that surplus milk into a long-lasting pantry staple. Use it for cooking, baking, or even drinking. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more homesteading tips, and share how you're making the most of your milk in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy canning. Don't waste milk. Preserve it.